Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, struggling to get a clear picture of your business? Or maybe you've heard whispers of ERP solutions, those magical systems that promise to streamline everything, but you're left wondering, which one? And are they all just the same thing? Specifically, you might have heard two names thrown around, NetSuite and SAP. Are they just different flavors of the same enterprise software, or are they fundamentally different beasts? If you're a business owner, a finance professional, or even just someone curious about the tech that powers modern companies, you've probably asked this question. And honestly, it's a good one. Because choosing the right ERP system is like choosing the right foundation for your house. Get it wrong, and you'll be dealing with cracks and leaks for years to come. Let's break it down. Before we dive into the specifics of NetSuite and SAP, let's understand the broader context. What exactly is an ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, system? In simple terms, it's a centralized software system that integrates all the core processes of a business, from finance and accounting to sales, inventory management, and human resources. Think of it as the nervous system of your company, connecting all the different parts and allowing information to flow seamlessly. Now, why does this matter? Well, imagine trying to run a business with silo departments, each using their own separate software. You'd have data scattered everywhere, leading to inconsistencies, errors, and a massive headache trying to get a unified view of your operations. An ERP system solves this by bringing everything under one roof, providing real-time visibility and control. So with that basic understanding, let's get back to our original question. NetSuite versus SAP. Are they similar? The short answer is yes and no. They both fall under the broad umbrella of ERP systems, but they cater to different types of businesses and have distinct strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with SAP. SAP, or Systems, Applications and Products and Data Processing, is a giant in the ERP world. It's been around for decades and is known for its comprehensive suite of modules, designed to handle the complex needs of large, multinational corporations. Think Fortune 500 companies, global manufacturing giants, and sprawling conglomerates. SAP is built for scale and customization, offering a highly configurable platform that can be tailored to fit the specific requirements of massive organizations. However, this complexity comes at a cost. SAP implementations are notoriously expensive and time-consuming, often requiring extensive consulting and customization. It's like building a custom-designed mansion. You get exactly what you want, but it takes time, money, and a lot of specialized expertise. On the other hand, we have NetSuite. NetSuite, now owned by Oracle, is a cloud-based ERP system that's known for its agility and ease of use. It's designed to be more accessible to mid-sized businesses and fast-growing companies. NetSuite is a software-as-a-service SaaS solution, which means it's hosted in the cloud and accessible through a web browser. This eliminates the need for expensive hardware and on-premise installations, making it a more cost-effective option for many businesses. NetSuite also offers a more streamlined implementation process compared to SAP. It's designed to be more out-of-the-box, with pre-configured modules that can be quickly deployed. This makes it a popular choice for companies that need to get up and running quickly. So, what are the key differences between these two systems? Let's break it down into some key areas. 1. Target market. SAP primarily targets large enterprises and multinational corporations with complex business processes. NetSuite focuses on mid-sized businesses and fast-growing companies that need a scalable and agile solution. 2. Deployment model. SAP traditionally on-premise deployments, although they are moving to offer more cloud-based solutions. NetSuite, cloud-based SaaS solution. 3. Implementation complexity. SAP, complex and time-consuming, often requiring extensive customization. NetSuite, more streamlined and faster implementation process. 4. Cost. SAP, higher upfront costs and ongoing maintenance expenses. NetSuite, more cost-effective for mid-sized businesses with subscription-based pricing. 5. Customization. SAP, highly customizable, offering extensive flexibility. NetSuite offers customization, but with a focus on pre-configured modules and best practices. 6. User interface. SAP can be complex and require extensive training. NetSuite, more user-friendly and intuitive interface. 7. Industry focus. SAP, broad industry coverage with specialized modules for various sectors. NetSuite, strong in industries like e-commerce, manufacturing, and software. Now let's address some common misconceptions. Some people think that SAP is inherently better than NetSuite because it's more expensive and complex. This is like saying a custom-built race car is better than a reliable family sedan. Both are vehicles, but they serve different purposes. The best ERP system depends entirely on the specific needs of your business. For a large, multinational corporation with complex supply chains and global operations, SAP might be the ideal choice. Its robust functionality and customization options can handle the intricate requirements of a large enterprise. However, for a mid-sized business that needs to scale quickly and efficiently, NetSuite's agility and ease of use might be a better fit. It's also important to consider the future of your business. Will you be expanding rapidly? Will you be entering new markets? These factors can influence your choice of ERP system. If you anticipate rapid growth, you'll need a system that can scale with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.